Hi everyone, it's Teresa here. I just wanted to go over my first technology that I chose, which is Canva. I've heard great things about being able to design lots of different things like social media posts, personal invites, cards, businesses, marketing, education, lots of things there, anything that might be trending. Down here, once you've created a free account, it will show you all these other recommendations. You can make custom things, and then your designs will pop up here as well. I mainly created this to kind of put some rules that we had created as a class together, calling it a classroom contract. So this design, I just had copied one of the other general poster designs. It allows you to work and share in real time with other users, and you can obviously type. You have your fonts, your coloring, you have effects that you can do with the fonts. You can create a text box. It's kind of like a PowerPoint or Google Drawings. There's elements that you can add in. They have free pictures. You can pay for the pro version, and you'll just get some extra stuff there. Different forms of text, videos, there's templates if you ever need anything. They'll give you suggestions based on what I did. They've got all sorts of things. When you are done, you can download. There are multiple file types that will allow you to download. So you have PDF, JPEG, PNG, videos or GIFs, or GIFs, however you want to say it, and allows you to print. You have options to share a link. You can go ahead and just present it from the software itself. So lots of options. If you're done, you can delete. If you want to duplicate it and tweak it a little bit, that's easily done. You can add a page that is similar. With the pro version, you can pay and resize, make it very social media friendly. So I had just wanted to play around with this, and like I said, I use this for classroom contracts. There's some other things. I had made one other PowerPoint kind of using gratitude quotes that I had found, because you can insert pictures. So this was just something else that I had kind of messed around with. So my target audience was my students overall for the works that I've created. And I felt like this aligned with standards TPAC 1, as well as the ISTE education leaders. 4B here, ensuring that resources support the effective use of technology, are sufficient and scalable to meet future demands. So I do feel like Canva can highlight that and allow for just something a little different than what slides can offer or PowerPoint, and allows for more of the social media to be incorporated. So that is my review. Thanks for watching.